Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to create custom letters to add on your Instagram highlights. Download Pinterest on your device. Search for flame background DP size or any other color you want. Look for DP size background you like and download it. Now search for a texture image with same color as your background. I'll search for flame texture. Download the one that blends with your background. Now open App Store or Play Store. Search for Pixel app and install the application. When the download is complete, open the app. Click the plus icon at the top of the screen to import your background. Crop the image using the one canvas and place the background in the middle. Now click on the text tool and enter the first letter of your name in caps. Resize the letter to fit in the middle of your background. On the toolbar below, scroll to the right and select the font icon. Choose your desired fonts. I will choose the font shortcut. Now resize your letter again to fit in. Select the texture tool and import the texture backgrounds you downloaded and crop the part you want to use. Now select Shadow tool from the toolbar and add shadow to the text. Toggle the shadow icon on. Select a color that will make your letter appear to glow. Set opacity to 100 and blur radius to 25. Toggle on outer glow and click on OK. Select 3D rotate and set the X-axis to 15. You can also change the Y-axis depending on your preference. Click on the save icon at the top and select save as image. Set dimensions to ultra and save to gallery. Click on the letter to select and click on the toolbar to edit text. Enter the next letter of your name. Adjust the letter to be in the middle of the background and save to gallery. Follow the same procedure to create all letters of your name. When done, open Instagram. Click on the plus icon and select Story. Select the last letter of your name to post first. Use the crop tool to fill in the image. Click on Next. Select Add to Highlights and enter highlight name or description, then post story. Now follow the same procedure, posting the letters from the last letter of your name to the first letter. That is it for today and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.